8824. Which of the following is not one of the functions of interpoles in a generator? A. Reduce field strength. B. Overcome armature reaction. C. Reduce arcing at the brushes. The correct answer is A. Interpoles are additional sets of small auxiliary poles placed between the main field poles of a DC generator. They serve various functions to improve the performance and operation of the generator. 8825. How can generator or motor armature windings be tested for opens? A. Place the armature in a growler and connect a 110V test light on adjacent segments. The light should light up. B. Check adjacent segments on the commutator with an ohm meter on the high resistance scale. C. Use a 12/24V test light between the armature core segments and the shaft. The correct answer is A. To determine if a generator armature has an open winding, it can be examined using a growler. The armature is placed on the growler, and the built-in 110-volt test lamp is employed to assess the continuity between the individual segments. This method allows for the detection of any breaks or interruptions in the windings of the armature. By verifying the continuity between the segments using the test lamp, it becomes possible to identify any open windings, aiding in the diagnosis and troubleshooting of the generator. 8826. What is the color and orientation of the lights for navigation on civil airplanes? A. Left side, green. Right side, red. Rear aft, white. B. Left side, red. Right side, green. Rear aft, white. C. Left side, white. Right side, green. Rear aft, red. The correct answer is B. The lights used for navigation on civil airplanes follow a standardized color and orientation scheme. This scheme is defined by aviation regulations and international conventions to ensure consistent and recognizable navigation lighting on aircraft. The left side of the aircraft is equipped with a red light, while the right side has a green light. These lights are visible from the front and sides of the aircraft and help other pilots determine the aircraft's direction of movement and relative position. The rear aft of the aircraft is equipped with a white light. This white light is visible from the rear of the aircraft and is used for identification and visibility purposes. The combination of red, green, and white lights allows for easy differentiation and recognition of aircraft in the air and on the ground, enhancing safety and preventing collisions. 8827. To what depth is the mica insulation between the commutator bars of a DC generator undercut? A. 1/2 the width of the mica. B. Equal to twice the width of the mica. C. Equal to the width of the mica. The correct answer is C. The commutator of a DC generator consists of individual segments or bars that are separated by mica insulation. The purpose of undercutting the mica insulation is to ensure proper seating and alignment of the carbon brushes on the commutator, which helps maintain good electrical contact and reduce the risk of arcing and sparking. Undercutting involves removing a portion of the mica insulation from the surface of the commutator bars to create a groove or recess. This allows the carbon brushes to fully engage with the commutator surface without interference from the mica insulation. The depth of the undercut is typically equal to the width of the mica insulation. By removing the mica to the same depth as its width, a smooth and level surface is achieved, providing a suitable seating area for the carbon brushes. 8828. A voltage regulator controls generator output by A. Introducing a resistance in the generator to battery lead in the event of overload. B. Shorting out the field coil in the event of overload. C. Varying the current flow to the generator field coil. The correct answer is C. The primary function of a voltage regulator is to regulate the output voltage of a generator and maintain it at a specified level. The voltage regulator achieves this by controlling the current flow to the generator's field coil. The field coil is responsible for creating the magnetic field in the generator, which, in turn, induces the production of electrical power. By varying the current flow to the field coil, the voltage regulator can adjust the strength of the magnetic field and, consequently, regulate the output voltage of the generator.